Hey, Jimmy, you seem really happy even though they just cut our overtime. Well, if you really want to know why, watch this. Okay, buddy, what you got?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. You may be thinking, what is the best way to make money online in 1 hour? Well, we are going to go over the top 5 ways to make money online in 1 hour. Now, making money online in 1 hour may be a bit challenging, as many online businesses require some time and effort to set up and establish. However, there are a few things you can do to make money quickly online. Remember to smash the like button, and to stay to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you about a great website that can help you get into your first home. So without further ado, let's get into the top 5 ways to make money online. The first way we're going to talk about is by selling items you no longer need or want online in marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. And this is a quick way to make money, as you can sell items you no longer use or need. You simply just need to take pictures of the items, post them online, and wait for buyers to make an offer. Way number 2, taking online surveys or signing up for paid focus groups through websites like Survey Junkie or Vendale Research. This is a quick way to make money, as you can take surveys or participate in focus groups in your spare time. However, earning potential for things like this are usually low, and the amount you can earn per hour may vary depending on the number of available surveys or focus groups. Way number 3, offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, such as writing, editing, graphic design, or data entry. This is a quick way to make money, as you can create a profile, list your skills and services, and start getting hired for short-term projects right away. Way number 4, participating in online tutoring or teaching English as a second language through platforms like VIP Kid or iTutor Group. This is a quick way to make money, as you can use your teaching skills to earn money. However, you may need to have a teaching certificate or experience to be accepted. Way 5, renting out a spare room on Airbnb or renting out your car on Turo. This is a quick way to make money by renting out a spare room or your car on a short-term basis. However, you'll need to have a room or a car to rent out. Just make sure you do a background check on someone you're bringing into your spare room. Keep in mind that most of these options will not make you a significant amount of money in 1 hour, but can be a great way to earn some extra cash in the short term. Also, you may need to have an account on the platform and complete a registration process before starting. Now, as promised, if you like the Airbnb idea for renting a room, you could get your first home with no money down through a website, www.naca.com. In the website, they walk you hand in hand through the home buying process. They have a no money down program with an insanely low interest rate, and they work with all credit. So potentially, if you get a house up to a 4-unit with them, you could be collecting rents on a spare bedroom using the Airbnb strategy we talked about. All right, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this one. And thanks for watching.
Wow! See? That's why I'm smiling.